Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I shall just get to it. These are sketches number 3 for the day. Let me know what you think. I am really enjoying doing faces again and I will just get to it. So good speed, less lines and less pressure on the pencil. I utilise geometric, observational and a very slight amount of Loomis, as you'll see the line going down. And then I've done some dots where I basically place the eyes or nose or mouth, and that worked out for me. Number 3 is the closest to the original reference photo. However, I thought number 1 was a good start. Second one was slightly kind of more masculine looking or more boxy, but the third one actually is more close to the reference photo. So yeah, I'm really happy with the layout and the proportions. Maybe not so much number 2, but number 1 and number 3 specifically. And I'm getting a lot quicker utilising these methods, and I've cut down the time, not going over things and producing more and more lines has made it a lot cleaner as well as a lot quicker. So let me know what you think, and also if you're utilising these methods. I know I'll keep on saying that, but please let me know what you are utilising, if you are doing that, or if you're just basically watching my artwork progress. And also, if you're a subscriber, hello and thank you very much for subscribing. I truly do appreciate it. If I'm talking really fast, I'm sorry. I've had a coffee and yeah, the caffeine's kicked in. Thanks guys, bye.